Okay, we're gonna put a Sharpie along this line here, just a little touch up. That one looks fine. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna square off these corners on the SOG Seal 2000 models. You'll see this type of primary grind that angles back like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and square these up like what's on the vintage MACV-SOGs. And then this Sharpie line right here needs to be redrawn. So you will always want to have that there. That way that's your, you know, your reference. And that one looks fine. Okay. We're going to go ahead and square these primary grind off there. So I'm going to go ahead and square off the primary grind down here by our ricasso, like the vintage style, and I went with the flat disc. I'm using two different ones and the disc that has the angle there. The more that you use the angle disc, you get the proper angle that you need for doing your hollow grinds and working that. So here we go, we're going to square that up. Do the other side and we'll just keep an eye on it as we work on our primary grind here. So I was checking my plunge line. I looked at the other side. This actually needs to go back to the back part of that line just to make sure they're both symmetrical. Best to take a little off at a time rather than go over and make a mistake and get outside of your where you need to be. just an update video here, guys. Went out there and worked a little bit on this SOG this morning. Squared off my grind lines here, and then I'm just got to bring my tang width in because we're gonna have a stacked leather handle, and then I've got to bring the tip down just slightly. This is my template, so you can see this one is a little bit more upswept, so I got to bring that down a little, which is no big deal, but these are things you want to kind of look at as you go. And so we're going to end up with about a 7-inch blade with a 5-inch handle. And so yeah, so then I got some options here for my pommel end. Of course, you guys, I showed you where I've got a lot of these for my pommel ends, and I'm working on also going to have the this is commercial bronze. It's like brass and bronze. It's not like solid brass, it's got a little bronze in it, but it's really nice. It's got a really nice color. And so I could do this here. I've got 2 of these where I could have this on the end here, cold welded in the end. We could have a little piece there. That would look pretty nice, and you'd have a lanyard slot there on the end. Or I could do something more traditional looking, turn this over with a cutout. I got another piece that this is cut out, and this would go on in this titanium drill bit, which I use as a locking pin, basically to lock these on. But this could be on the end there for more of a traditional, you know, like a SOG look for your pommel. This would be flushed up and smooth and polished. This would be level, of course. That would look good. These are just little pieces that could be used to finish out the end of the pommel end there that look nice. So I've got quite a few of those. So yeah, just a little update video. Once it starts cooling off out there, you know, next month, and I'm just going to keep working on these SOGs. I got 2 more of these to build. A lot of times I'll be building on 2 at once. This one I just started just to do this video, but I'm saving all these videos, just so you know. I'll be saving a lot of these videos, so we'll have, you know, like part 3, part 2.5, all those coming up, and then that way you can, you know, I just did this so you can kind of see what I'm doing. So I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I'll catch you on the next one.